Hello children, welcome to the another class of English. Here in this session we are going to deal with unit 7, Wonderful World of Chess. Chess is a two-player strategy board game played on a chessboard with 64 squares arranged in 8 into 8 square grid. Seventh unit, C reading, titled Koneru Hampi. This game is played by millions of people worldwide. It is extremely helpful in brain development. Children playing chess from an early age exhibit extraordinary memory skills. It improves our memory skills even. So, on a regular basis, if we play the game of chess right from the childhood, it improves the learning and thinking abilities. Analytical power and decision making ability will also improve in the children. In our last session, you were already introduced to this famous Indian chess player. She is none other than Koneru Hampi. She achieved the title of Grand Master at the age of 15 years, 1 month, and 27 days. We all have to appreciate our women. Despite having so many challenges in life, they outshine us. Let's learn some new words from this lesson. Bagging, deserving, performance. The meaning of performance is an act of presenting a play. Extraordinary, beyond what is usual. Honored. The meaning of honored is regarded with great respect. Exceptional. Repeat once again, children. Exceptional, not typical. Look how funny it is. Even animals are enjoying this wonderful game of chess. Let's start with the reading of the text. Performance at the World Chess Championship. In the year 2001, Hampi won the World Chess Championship. She lost in the second round of the Women's World Chess Championship 2006. Her performance in 2008 was better. Compared to 2006, her performance in 2008 was better. She reached the semi-final round, where she lost to Hou Weifan of China. Hampi participated in the five Women's Grand Prix 2009 to 2011 and finished in overall second position. Among all these years, she stood second. In turn, qualifying as challenger for Women's World Chess Championship 2011. Pride of the nation. Let's see how Hampi made our nation pride. At Doha Asian Games in 2006, Koneru Hampi made the nation proud by bagging two gold medals in the individual as well as team event of chess. So she bagged two gold medals in the individual as well as team event of chess. When it happened in the year 2006 at Doha. She also won the International Open Chess Tournament 2007 held at Kopting, Luxembourg. So she won the International Open Chess Tournament in the year 2007. In October 2007, Hampi scored the FIDE rating of 2,606 points. So, FIDE rating, which was held in the October 2007, she scored 2,606 points, just behind the world number one female chess player Judith Polgar. So she stood second, whereas Judith Polgar is the first female chess player. Humpy has broken the world record set by Saisan Polgar, who had a rating of 2,577 points. So she broke the world record of this Polgar. She had the rating of 2,577 points, whereas Humpy has 2,606 points. While she was at the world number two spot, Humpy has also been the second woman ever in the history of the chess. So she was the second woman in the history of the chess who had crossed the 2,600 points mark. So Humpy becomes the second woman to cross 2,600 points mark. Judith Polgar has done it for the first time. So Humpy stands second, whereas Judith Polgar has done it for the first time, crossing the limit of 2,600 points. This wonderful game of chess is played from ancient days onwards. Awards and honors. Let's see what are all the awards and honors that Humpy has received. For showing extraordinary talent as a chess player and making the nation proud several times at the international level. So, by showing her extraordinary talent, for showing her talent as a chess player, and she made the nation proud several times, not only at the national level but also at the international level. Koneru Humpy has been honored with a number of awards and recognitions. She was honored with number of awards and recognitions to commend her exceptional skills and achievements. For her exceptional work, for her exceptional game of chess, she was awarded so many awards. The government of India bestowed upon her the coveted Arjuna Award in the year 2003. So, in the year 2003, she was given Arjuna Award. She was awarded with the prestigious Padma Shri Award. She was also awarded with the prestigious Padma Shri Award. Humpy was also conferred upon the Rajalakshmi Award in the year 2008. So, in the year 2003, she got Arjuna Award, whereas in the year 2007, she was given Padma Shri Award. In the year 2008, by Rajalakshmi Foundation of Chennai, she was given the Rajalakshmi Award. Here we can see the chessboard with black and white coins on it. Well, let's quickly sum up with the question and answers to check your understanding levels. Mention the awards and honors of Humpy. This we have done in the last paragraph of our lesson. Humpy has been honored with a number of awards and honors. What are those? We shall write like this. Arjuna Award in the year 2003, Padma Shri Award in 2007, Rajalakshmi Award in 2008. Let's see the next one. What qualities helped Humpy to reach the top in chess? What are the qualities that made Humpy to reach top in chess? Passion for the game, hard work, determination, dedication. Yes, she has that passion for the game, hard work, that fighting spirit, and continuous practice. As it was said, there is a saying in English that practice makes man perfect. Yes, this continuous practice of Humpy helped her to reach top in chess. Thank you, children. Yeah, as it is an indoor game, try to play this chess with your family members, with your friends, which increases extraordinary memory skills and which is also helpful in the brain development.